Are you, like many students, struggling with circle questions? Do you think you can answer this edexcel question? Let's take a look at it. A circle C has an equation such where k is a constant. First, you have to find the coordinate of the center C. What is the coordinate? If you look at the formula sheet, you can see that the equations are generally written like this: x minus x, let's call it 1, or x center, to the power of 2 plus y minus y1 to the power of 2 is equals to r squared. This is the equation of a circle, the general equation, where x1 and y1 are the centers. Here, we don't have that form, we have a different form. So we have to take the squares, we have to factorize the x's and y's so that we get the format that looks like so. If you look at the x part, you have x squared minus 4x. If you're not good at quadratics, go and revise it because it's going to be used here. So what we do is we take the squared version, that's going to be x minus 4 over 2 to the power of 2, but this is going to bring an unwanted plus 4 out of it as well. So I'm going to have to minus 4. What about the other part? The y plus 10 over 2, which is 5, squared. Again, here we're going to have an additional plus 25, which we don't want. So I'm going to have minus 25, and that's going to equal to 2. So just from this, we can see that once we move minus 4 and minus 25 to the other side, we're going to have our equation, like the general equation, meaning the center is at 2 and minus 5. That's part A complete. Going to part B, it says, seek a range of possible values for k. K is this. So k is part of the radius, not exactly the radius. If I rewrite my original equation, 1 of x minus 2 to the power of 2 plus y plus 5 to the power of 2 equals to k plus 4 plus 25. This is a circle equation. That means it's going to have a radius that's equal to the root of the right hand side. The root has to be a positive value. It cannot be 0 because that's not, it's basically a point, so it has to be a positive value. So in order for this to be an equation of a circle, k plus 4 plus 25 has to be bigger than 0. That means k is bigger than minus 29. So that's all the possible values in the k can. Could you solve this circle question?